Welcome back to our channel. We are excited to share our new video. Are you ready to uncover the top 3 exercises that can help you achieve firm, sculpted legs without the need for any fancy equipment? In this comprehensive video, we'll explore the incredible benefits and historical significance of 3 powerful exercises: walking lunges, calf raises, and squats. Walking lunges are a fantastic exercise that targets multiple muscle groups in your legs, including the quadriceps, hamstrings, glutes, and core. This exercise has been utilized for centuries in various fitness disciplines and sports. The dynamic movement of walking lunges not only helps to build strength and endurance but also improves lower body stability and coordination. Incorporating walking lunges into your workout routine can enhance your leg aesthetics, increase functional strength, and improve overall athletic performance. Calf raises specifically target the calf muscles, helping to strengthen and tone them. This exercise has a long-standing history and has been a fundamental part of training for athletes, dancers, and individuals seeking well-defined calves. By performing calf raises, you can develop greater calf definition, improve ankle stability, and enhance your overall lower leg aesthetics. Whether you're aiming for strong, sculpted calves or looking to improve your performance in activities such as running or jumping, calf raises are a key exercise to include in your leg workout routine. Squats, the classic lower body exercise, have a rich historical background and have been a fundamental movement in various physical training disciplines for centuries. This versatile exercise targets the quadriceps, hamstrings, glutes, and core muscles, making it a highly effective compound movement. Squats not only help to build lower body strength and muscle tone but also improve overall lower body mobility and functional movement patterns. By incorporating squats into your leg workout routine, you can achieve a more balanced physique, improve athletic performance, and enhance daily activities that involve lower body strength and stability. When performing these exercises, it's essential to focus on maintaining proper form and technique. Starting with a comfortable range of motion and gradually increasing the intensity will allow your muscles to adapt and grow stronger over time. Remember to listen to your body and take rest days as needed to promote recovery and prevent overtraining. To further challenge your leg muscles and stimulate greater growth, you can incorporate variations and progressions into your workout routine. Adding dumbbells or kettlebells to your walking lunges can provide an extra resistance challenge, increasing the demand on your muscles. Elevating your heels during calf raises by using a step or platform can intensify the exercise and target the calf muscles more effectively. As you become more proficient in performing squats with proper form, you can progress to weighted squats using a barbell or dumbbells to further enhance muscle development and strength. By regularly including walking lunges, calf raises, and squats in your fitness routine, you can build stronger, more defined legs, improve overall lower body aesthetics, and enhance functional performance in various activities. These exercises offer a well-rounded approach to leg training, targeting different muscle groups and providing a wide range of benefits. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to achieving your fitness goals. Stay committed to your leg workout routine, listen to your body, and make adjustments as necessary. It's always a good idea to consult with a fitness professional if you have any concerns or specific limitations to ensure you're performing the exercises safely and effectively. Thank you for watching. If you found this video informative and enjoyable, be sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with others who are interested in strengthening and sculpting their legs. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fitness tips, exercises, and valuable content. Keep up the great work on your fitness journey, and we'll see you in our next video, where we'll continue to empower and inspire you to reach your health and fitness goals.